Okay. Oh, dang it. I didn't make the light. This next place has a car wash I've been wanting to check out for so long. And hopefully, with the case like last one, it's still running. So we will see when we get there. 0.3 miles. This is another Foam Bright car wash. And I'm not from here. I think this is Midwest City, and I'll have the title, the correct name in the title. Anyway, I'm kind of stoked about this one. There it is. Wait, is it? It's closed. Oh, anyway, I need to pull into like some parking lot to turn around. And anyway, that was a Ryko rocket tunnel. Man, those things are getting harder to find by the day. Well, oof, that one. So, I did another car wash, one more car wash to the OKC area. And then I'll continue heading north. Well, so much for that place. Now we're all the way out here in Jones, Oklahoma. Seems like another small town. But, however, they have a car wash that is also something I'm pretty stoked about. So, yeah. I think something else to say. I really hope this one's not closed either. I didn't even think there'd be any of these in Oklahoma either, and it looks like it's still there. Is it working? Yes! Oh my gosh, I'm really excited to film this machine. I wouldn't be surprised if this is the only one in Oklahoma so far. We have an A-OK Dynawash Express. This one's pretty sweet.
Welcome. To purchase a car wash, make a wash selection and enter your method of payment.
Okay, this thing looks beautiful. Alright, let me... stabilize the camera so you can get a good shot at that. Alright. You see this cone right there. Nobody likes cones, but yeah. Like the custom pay stations, you have a 5, a 7, an 8, and a 10. I like the cheap prices. And there's your menu up there you can pause to read. Of course, you get the 10.
You have selected the Premium Car Wash. Please deposit $10.
Let's see, I think I have a $10 bill. Unless I used it up. I have enough ones. I have 8 ones there. Might come in handy for the next wash if I predict the cost correctly. Alright, well, cardigan it is.
Please wait while your transaction is processed. If you would like a receipt, press refund now. Thank you for your purchase. To start your car wash, please pull into the wash.
I am really excited for this one. These things are very rare too, so. Alright, let's see how this machine works. I've never seen anything like this. I first thought this was a Futura when I was looking at this on Google Maps, but no, pleasantly surprised. I can get my pattern right on my phone. Oh, whoa. That's cool. Yep, it's checking the car. That's how you know it's a good touch-free wash. Because, like, it has the same, like, side pivoting arms like on the Futuras, but that top manifold is something I've never seen before on one of these. I don't know if that's something that's even a rarer feature on these, or I don't know. I've never seen one of these before. That is cool. That is really cool. The top bar area just moves back and forth. I've never seen that on any car wash before. Trifoam flying in the wind. Wow. Impressive coverage. Small towns really do have the best car washes sometimes. It's got, yeah, Dyna dried dryers too. Man, what a hidden gem. This thing did really well. Oh wait, the whole thing pivots too, it looks like. I just saw the spray pattern change. And there's our cue to go. I think it's about a minute of dryer time. They look like Futura dryers too. Oh, it says Dry Master. Okay, interesting. I hate when like the floor turtle gets in the way if you're trying to go slowly through the dryer. Did a pretty good job. Definitely my favorite wash of the day, but we'll see if the next one I plan to film works. I'm curious to see if it'll top this one though. I don't know. Almost right, but still pretty cool wash. Yeah. This is the Longhorn car wash in Jones, Oklahoma. So yeah, come check it out. Highly recommend this one. So, without further ado, thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed, and that'll be it.